Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can resize components and elements on your website designs on Penpot. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the web designer here on Penpot, access the layers tab in the top left and choose the page you would like to edit. After that, left click into the given element. So let me insert, for example, a rectangle for the sake of this tutorial. And you will see, guys, you can resize it by positioning it, right, using your left mouse like this. Or alternately, you may navigate to the design tab here once the given element has been placed. And here, guys, what you want to do is go through these settings. For example, you may, for instance, customize the width and the height here by using your mouse wheel like this, or enter a value here. And do the same for the X and Y axis to position it. And that's it, guys. What you want to do also is, for example, you may, for instance, click into layout here and then choose one of these options. And that's the second option, guys. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.